In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend an image in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing just a little more room on your design canvas, or perhaps wanting to adjust the aspect ratio of an image to better fit your project, this is the perfect tutorial for you. Canva is a versatile tool for all your design needs, and learning how to make slight adjustments can vastly improve your workflow. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Canva project where the image you want to extend is located. If you're not already on the Canva website, go ahead and navigate there and log in with your credentials. Once you're at your dashboard, find and select the project you're working on. This will open up the design editor interface where you can make all the necessary changes. Once you're on your design page, locate the image you wish to extend. Click on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with small dots or handles at the corners and midpoints of the image. These dots or handles are for resizing, and this is where the magic happens. To extend the image, simply click and hold one of these border handles and begin dragging it outward. You can drag either horizontally or vertically, depending on how you want to extend your image. If you drag from a corner handle, the image will resize proportionally, maintaining its original aspect ratio. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to make the image larger without distorting it. However, if your goal is to only extend the height or the width, drag from one of the side handles. As you do this, keep an eye on how your image fits within the overall design. One tip is to enable Canva's grid lines or snapping feature to ensure the image lines up with other elements on your page. This can help maintain a neat and balanced look. Once you've extended the image to the desired size, release the mouse button to set its new dimensions. Take a moment to review your design and make sure everything looks just right. If you need further adjustments, repeat the dragging process as necessary. Remember, Canva saves your progress automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check that your work is saved, especially if you're about to make significant changes. And that's it. You've successfully extended your image in Canva, giving you more control over your design's composition. Whether you're preparing a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, knowing how to extend images can add flexibility and professionalism to your projects. Feel free to experiment with other images and explore all that Canva has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy designing.